AGZA capture.
Yeah, so as you got to see here today, this Jefferson facility is able to do everything from the ground up. And we can do that on very large scales as we grow this. And as the industry demands that we go, the landscaping market goes electric, we can scale at exponential sizes, and having American workers scale this to something that we could only dream of back in 2009.
Yeah, so after our machines are produced our fabrication, they actually go to our powder paint system and get painted here in-house. From there, all the parts are distributed line side, and we've got a team of assemblers who start to build the product. And it really starts from the chassis all the way to programming, to final test. It gets crated here and then sent directly to our distribution facility.
AGZA capture.